Hey y'all, it's your girl Shel Paola and I'm back showing you how I turned this really boring Ikea bookshelf into something stunning. Okay, so I spray painted the bookshelf a really pretty pink mauve color from Rust-Oleum. Then I went ahead and gave it like a very light stroke, kind of like a whitewash look to it. Then I found these pieces at a thrift store for $1.99. They are actually shelf brackets, and I hot glued them to give it a little more spunk, a little more character. I love the concept of having storage, so I had the idea to get a very small rod and I nailed it and added fabric to give me a little like private storage underneath the shelf in the bottom. And so I added some fabric and some ribbon just to give it a little more detail, and there's the final piece. I honestly love this piece. It's one of my many favorite pieces. It's 5 years old, and there you see it. I was definitely going through a shabby chic phase in my life, and most of the items I found were honestly from Goodwill, of course. I remember that this room used to like make me feel that I lived in like a little Victorian house. So here we are, 2020. The bookshelf is still standing strong. It still looks as beautiful as it did day one. I feel like it has so much character. It has so much detail. It looks so girly. If I ever were to have a baby girl again, I would definitely put this right in her nursery and it would blend in so beautifully. Most of the pieces that I have in this bookshelf, I again found at my local Goodwill store. This piece, that piece, that piece, and that piece. The ribbon that I added, I found it at the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to give it a little character around the edges of the shelves, and so I glued it on there. And then a thicker one at the bottom. Storage is still down there, still hiding my stuff. And I just think it's such a beautiful piece. Sometimes I think if I want to turn it into something else, but then again, if I have a baby girl, it's perfect, so I shouldn't touch it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little piece that I made back in 2015, an IKEA hack for the bookshelf. And stay tuned, my next video is going to be the second part to my vanity and I am so excited. That one's going to have a plot twist and you won't see it coming. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't be shy, leave a comment down below. Let's talk and let me know what more things you would like to see from me.